We're two fish talking about the truth. We're two fish.
Truth Talks.
Two fish talks. Hi guys. Welcome to Two Fish Truth Talks.
Hi, I'm Stripe.
And I'm Pinky. And we've been talking about what it means to live in God's kingdom and follow Jesus.
Yeah, we learned that we can build our lives on solid rock if we hear God's words and do them.
Yeah. And we also learned we can either be like good soil or bad soil. The good soil hears about God's words and understands them. But the bad soil doesn't understand or gets distracted and worried about other stuff. So we know it's really important to hear God's word and do it if we want to have good lives.
Right. Yeah, totally. Hey Pinky, I've been thinking.
Yeah.
Well, what are God's words? I mean, how can I do them if I don't know what they are?
Well, God's words are all in the Bible. We can read them. And Jesus was God in a body. He was called the living word. So we can look at him and know what God is like. We can read his words and know how to live.
Oh, great. So, what did he say?
Well, he said and did many amazing things. He always loved people, and he never did anything wrong or naughty.
Wow. How am I going to remember all the words that he said?
Well, he said that the most important thing that we should do is love God and love other people.
Oh, okay. That's the most important thing?
Yeah. And when we are kind and loving to other people, we're actually loving God.
Whoa, so you mean if I'm kind to my little sister and helper, I'm actually being kind to God?
Yeah, that's how he sees it.
And if I obey my mom and clean my room when she asks me, even pick up my stinky socks, then it's like I'm loving God?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Oh, okay, I could do that.
We love God by making him the most important thing in our lives. More important than our toys, than our games, than our house, than our food, even than our own family. God gave us all of those things, and he wants us to be happy with them. But he knows that if we love them more than him, we'll be disappointed.
Really? But I don't think my video games could ever disappoint me. I love to play them.
But what about when it runs out of battery, or when you don't win, or if it breaks?
Oh, yeah.
That's sad and disappointing. If we make those things the most important, then our lives won't really be very full of joy and peace and all the good stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, like I have a story I remember with my friend Foolfish. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I love stories.
Okay. Last Christmas, he got a new iPod.
Yeah. Hey, Stripe, check out my new iPod.
Wow, that's cool, Foolfish.
Yeah, I really like it. I'm gonna play it all the time.
Okay. I used to go to his house a lot and play, but after he got the new iPod, he just wanted to play games all the time. It's like he couldn't stop. So, after a while, I didn't see Foolfish very much anymore. Then one day I saw him.
Hey,
Foolfish, I haven't seen you in a while.
yeah, man, I just been playing video games. Yeah, wow.
Well, the teacher said that maybe you were not doing so well in school.
Yeah, I don't care about school anymore. I just play video games all the time.
And your mom said that you weren't very nice and kind at home and you were just always in your room.
Yeah, I don't hang out with my family. I just play video games all the time.
Well, Foolfish didn't look like he was very happy anymore. The next time I saw Foolfish, it wasn't so good.
Oh man, Stripe, look at this.
Whoa, Foolfish, what happened?
Well, I just been playing video games. I was swimming and I got stuck in a net.
Oh no, Foolfish, that's not good.
Yeah, I can't get out. I can't get out now. I don't know what's gonna happen to me.
Oh, Foolfish, You gotta stop playing those games so that you could get out of that net. Yeah, I will. Oh.
Wow, Stripe. I'm so sorry for your friend Foolfish.
Yeah, he was caught in a net.
Yeah, he had become addicted to games on his iPod.
Yeah. What's addicted mean?
Well, it means that you keep doing something even though you know it's bad for you. It's like you're stuck in a net.
Oh,
It's like you're a slave.
a slave to iPod?
Yeah, kinda. Jesus said that we're all serve something. We can either serve Him, who gives us good life, or we can serve other stuff, which don't really give us real life at all.
Yeah. That iPod, those games were not giving real life. Foolfish stopped hanging out with his friends or his family and was doing really bad at school.
Yeah, Jesus wants to give us real life. So I hope that Foolfish stops playing the iPod so much and gets out of that net.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him how to get out. Just stop playing and start following Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus can give us real life.
Well, that's all for today. We'll see you next time on
Two fish?
Truth Talks.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us on Two Fish Truth Talks. We hope you join us next time so you can learn some more truth.
And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our shows. Bye.
Bye.